Welcome back to another exciting video of my channel. So this video is gonna be a bit of different video. So this is about my favorite topic, which is planets and their moons, which means the solar system. So this is a topic I wanted to make for a long time. So let's get started. So the first planet and their moon I'm gonna talk about is Mercury. So the first one is Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to our sun. A year on Mercury is just 88 days long. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is just the smallest and the hottest planet. But Mercury is also the most cratered planet in our solar system. And also Mercury does not have its moons. So the next planet and their moon we are going to talk about is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun, and it is also Earth's planetary neighbor. Even though Mercury is the very closest planet to the sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. And Venus is very hot because of his thick atmosphere is full of greenhouse gas and carbon dioxide, and also his clouds are made of sulfuric acid, in addition of being extremely hot. Also Venus is unusual because it spins to the opposite side of Earth and many other planets, and its rotation time is very slow, because making its days longer than its years. Venus does not have any moon, so we will not talk about the moons. Let's go on to the other planet, which is Earth. So the next planet and the moon we're going to talk about is our planet Earth. So Earth is a planet unlike any other planet in the known universe. It is the only planet confirmed to host life, with a radius of 3,959 miles. It is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. It is the only place known to have liquid water on its surface. Earth has a single exceptionally large moon, and Earth also has several quasi-satellites or asteroids like 2020 C3 or 2020 HO3. So it is the closest being, and it is with the most stable temporary orbits. So the next planet and their moon we are going to talk about is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and it is called the red planet because of all the iron inside the soil. And it might look warm, but it is very cold. The average temperature of Mars is -62 Celsius, and also Mars can have huge dust storms that can last for months and could cover the entire planet. And because Mars is small, so it only has two moons called Phobos and Deimos. So the next planet and their moon we are going to talk about is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. If all the planets were inside of Jupiter, it will still leave a lot of space. That is how big Jupiter is. Now, it has the most powerful auroras. It can emit X-rays. And if we talk about their moons, there are 80 known moons and 600 tiny moons lurking around. And 53 out of 80 moons have got their names, but 27 have not gotten their names. So scientists are still working on them to get their name pronounced in the future generations. So the next planet is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet after Jupiter, having the biggest planetary rings around it. And if we talk about their surface area, it is about 83 times more greater than Earth. That's a lot big. So Saturn is the king of the moons, having 82 confirmed moons it has the biggest moon, that is Titan. It is the second largest moon in the solar system. After Jupiter's moon Ganymede, Titan is much bigger than our Mercury. So the next planet we are going to talk about is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun and the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. And it is the biggest of the ice giants. Earth comparisons mass, Uranus has the 14.5 times more the mass of Earth. Uranus has the 4th largest mass in the solar system. Uranus rotates in the opposite side of other planets, east to west, and it is the only planet known to rotate on its sides. Uranus has the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system, and the average coldest in Uranus is minus 224 Celsius or minus 371 Fahrenheit. Uranus has 27 known moons, and 4 of the moons are viewable using a medium to large telescope, and the largest moon of Uranus are Oberon and Titania. So the next planet is Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun at a distance of 4.5 billion kilometers or 2.8 billion miles. And it is the 4th largest planet in our solar system, and it has the smallest gas giants. And both Neptune and Uranus are termed as ice giants since they don't have any composition than Saturn and Jupiter. So Neptune has a 6-ringed system surrounding it. So some of them contain ring arcs or clusters of dust particles. And Neptune has 14 known moons, and the biggest moon of Neptune is Triton. Triton is the 7th largest known moon than any other planet in the solar system. So the last planet is Pluto. Pluto is categorized as a dwarf planet, and in 2006 it was categorized with 3 other objects, and those objects were about the same small size as Pluto. So those 3 objects were dwarf planets. So that they were Makemake, Eris and Ceres. These 3 objects of Pluto are much smaller than the other projects. So the planet Pluto currently has 5 moons. There are Charon, Kerberos, Nix, Styx and Hydra. Charon is the biggest moon that Pluto has. So we have reached to the end of the video, and I have explained everything about the planets and their moons. And if you liked this informative video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Wow.